What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be installing a chain guide on this brand new 2024 RMZ 450. The factory edition SX series chain guides are designed for motocross and supercross, made with an ultra compact and slim body guide with a non-replaceable wear pad. Lightweight design is over 55 grams lighter than the stock guide. Our exclusive return memory formula plastic absorbs impacts and reduces chain drag. The updated upper wear pad protects each side of the sprocket for maximum deflection of rocks and dirt in the guide. The bottom wear pad is longer than stock, so chains jumping the sprocket are virtually eliminated. This chain guide is a modern works rear chain guide that privateers can afford. Tested by former SX and off-road champion Rodney Smith and Suzuki Army supported riders. Now this bike is ready for the track. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date with all our new products. See you out on the track.